Hey yo, QB Nation here, back here with another video. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 3x3. The first step to solving the 3x3 is to find the white cross. So what you want to do is find a piece that will match up with these. So let's find one. Here's an edge. What you want to do is match this color with the centers and then just put it to that. Here's a green. Here's a red. And if you have this occasion where it's right here, do this, F, R prime, D prime, R, F2. Then you got it. Next is what we want to find is the corners. So let's find one. Here's a corner. So what you want to do is match it where it has to go. And then if it's on the bottom, do this. You want to have the white on the bottom and where it's supposed to go. And then you want to do R prime, D2, R, D, R prime, D prime, R. Then you got it in there. Wow, that sounded weird. Never mind. Next occasion is when you have it on this side. What you want to do is R prime, D prime, R. Then you got that piece inserted in there. Still sounded weird. Never mind. You gotta do that here too. Then if you have in front of you, just do D prime, R prime, D, R. Boom! Wow, I just realized how bad my camera was. I hate my phone. Next, what you want to do is find the pieces that go into these, between these. So what you want to do is find one that does not have a yellow piece. And then you gotta put it matching with its color. Let's say it was red. Match it with color, or green, match it with the color. Then you wanna make this the yellow side face you, and then whatever color's on the top, is matching, put that on top, and then do F prime, D, R prime, U, and then you want to do D prime, turn the thing, go put R, U prime, R prime, U prime, D, B, U, D prime. Then you reverse that for if it has to, let me just find an occasion. And if there's a piece like that in between this, just do, alright, now I know. Just do R, U, R prime, F prime, I did that totally wrong. Hold on. You want to do, wait, let me just remember what to do. No. Yeah, that's what it was. So if you have one in the middle, just do, wait, I keep forgetting. Alright, yeah. What the? All right, you want to do F R U R prime U. I hate my life. I keep forgetting, like. Yeah. It's this. Now I remember, guys. Hopefully I remember this. Let's just slot this. You want to do... Yes. You want to do R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, F. And then you got that piece out. And then we gotta put it on this side. So do the reverse of when you're supposed to put it in this side. You just do F prime, no F. Then you would do D prime. Then you do L, D, U prime, and then you would turn it, and then do L prime, up, wait, no, up, yeah, never mind. Then do L prime, D prime, U, B prime, U prime, D. And then you would get in that. So let's do that until we finish the cube. So now we gotta put it there. Oh shoot. I messed up, but the way I was showing you is different from what I do now. Now we gotta take this out. So boom, 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 boom. Boom. No. Do. Yes. Next occasion. Let me just set it up. Would you want to not set it up, just make it to the next part? Because I just skipped a part. Next thing is to make a yellow cross. And this is the algorithm you do until you have a yellow cross. You do F, right, U, right, R prime, U prime, F prime. Then you do that until you have a yellow cross. Now we got a yellow cross. The next thing to do is do this algorithm. If you just have the yellow cross, well, technically you're gonna do the yellow thing, but if you have like a fish, where it's like the yellow cross and like this, you would put the fish facing down there, and then do this algorithm. But if you don't have, just do the algorithm until you have that fish, and then you can put it there. So you do R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now we have the fish. If the yellow right here is facing this way, you're going to have to do this algorithm twice. If it's facing this, one more time. It's R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now we're on finishing the last layer. If you have like two, just put them in the back. Or if you have like a solved side, put them in the back. And then you would face the part where you don't have two or the solved side in front of you. Then you would do R prime, U, wait, no, r prime, f, r prime, b, 2, r, f, f prime, r prime, b2, r2, then you do this. And now you do that until you have this either 3 like these, or you'd have 4 like this. And I'm going to do both the location. Here you only have 3. So you do this algorithm until you have the whole cube solved. It's R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. If you have all 4 like this, just do that algorithm, and then when you have the solved side, put it in the back, and then do that algorithm again. If it's where this piece has to go in there, just do on this side. But like you do L2, U prime, L prime. Am I doing that? Am I saying that right? Yeah. L2, U prime. I forgot how to do in this hand. I think it's like this. No, I'm right. It's just do the what you did on this side on this hand. So you do yeah. So do R prime. Well, R2, U, R, wait, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U, R prime, U, R prime, U. I meant to say U prime when I was doing it this way. And then R prime. And then you got the cube solved. Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Yay! Yay. Bye! Not sponsored by anybody.